good morning, everyone. Hello to Ricardo, Jorge, Hao-Ji, Tyler, Gigi, Joshua, and Gael. Welcome. So let's start our morning meeting. Today is June 15th, 2020. June is our month. It is the 6th month of the year. 15 is the day, the date, and 2020 is our year. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. The weather is partly cloudy and windy. It might be different where you are. Maybe it's not so windy where you're at, or maybe it's extra windy. So you can take a look out your window. You can see if you hear the wind. You can see if it looks cloudy in the sky. And you can see the plants and trees outside if they're blowing in the wind. The season is spring. It is still spring, but summer is coming in about 5 days. How are you feeling today? I can go first. Today, I feel happy. You can think, well, how do you feel today? Do you feel scared, happy, sad, angry, excited, worried, surprised, silly, or frustrated? After you're done with your morning meeting, you can work on your Starfall calendar.